shock absorber is a mechanical device designed to smooth out or damp shock impulse and convert kinetic energy to another form of energy, usually thermal energy.
Shock absorber, or a snubber, a device that controls unwanted spring motion through a process known as dampering.
Most vehicle shock absorbers are either twin tubes or monotubes. A twin tube consists of two cylindrical tubes, the inner tube, which is called the pressure tube, and the outer tube, which is called the reserve tube. Monotubes consist of only one tube, which is the pressure tube, but has two pistons.
Pistons are called the working piston and the dividing or floating piston, and they move in relative synchrony inside the pressure tube in response to changes in road smoothness. The two pistons also completely separate the shock's fluid and gas components. The monotube absorber is constantly a much longer overall design than the twin tubes, making it difficult to mount in passenger cars designed for a
Shock absorbers work in two cycles, the compression cycle and the extension cycle. The compression cycle occurs as the piston moves downward, compressing the hydraulic fluid in the chamber below the piston. The extension cycle occurs as the piston moves toward the top of the pressure tube, compressing the fluid in the chamber above the piston. A typical car or light truck will have more resistance during its extension cycle than its compression cycle. With that in mind, the compression cycle controls the motion of the vehicle's upsprung weight, while extension controls the heavier sprung weight. Shock absorbers are velocity sensitive. The faster the suspension moves, the more resistance the shock absorber provides. This enables shocks to adjust to road conditions and control all the unwanted motions that occur in a moving vehicle, including bounce, sway, brake dive, and acceleration squat.